Dear student, welcome to you in learning class managed by Modern English School Nawada. Dear student, myself Sujay Kumar, your mathematics teacher of Modern English School Division. Students, today I discuss the remaining problem of exercise 5C. So, you see here to ask the board, I write first questions, that is question number 20 of exercise 5C. In an AP, it is given that is S5 plus S7 is equal to 167 and S10 is equal to 235. Then find it. So we write here S5 plus S7 is equal to 167. Then you write it is 5 by 2 means n by 2. 2a plus 5 minus 1 into d plus again n by 2. 2a plus 7 minus 1 into d is equal to 167. Here 2 and 2 are common, then write here 5 2a plus 4d plus 2a plus 6d is equal to 167 into 2. Now here is 10a plus 20d plus here is 7, that is 14a plus 42d is equal to 167 into 2. Now 10a plus 14, that is 24a plus 20d and 42d, that is 62d is equal to 167 into 2. We take 2 as a common, that is 12a plus 31d is equal to 167 into 2. What is the value of 12a plus 31d is equal to 167 into 2 by 2, that is 167. It is first equation. Next your question is given, that is S10 is equal to 235. So you write here S10 is equal to 235. Then n by 2, 2a plus 10 minus 1 into d is equal to 235. 2 5 ja, then 2a plus 9d is equal to 235 by 5. 5 4 ja, 20 and 5 7 ja. So 2a plus 9d is equal to 47. This is second equation. And now by elimination methods, you write here 12a plus 31d is equal to 167 and here is 2a plus 9d is equal to 47. So here is 12 and here is 2. So we multiply by 6 and multiply by 1. So what we get, 12a plus 31d is equal to 167 and 6 to the 12a plus 9 6 to 54d is equal to 9, 7 6 to 42. And now see, first equation is 12a plus 31d is equal to 167 and second 2a plus 9d is equal to 47. This is 12a and this is 2, so multiply by 6 and it is 1. What you get here? You get 12a plus 31d is equal to 167 and when you multiply it, you get 12a plus 54d plus 282. Subtract it, so it is cancelled. Here we get minus 23d minus 150 cancel, so d is equal to 5. If d is equal to 5, then substitute in this equation 2a plus 9d. Here, so d is equal to 5, then you get 2a plus 9d is equal to 47. So 2a plus 9 into 5, 47. So a is equal to 2a is equal to 2, that means a is equal to 1. If a is equal to 1 and d is equal to 5, so what is AP? That AP is first term is a and that is 1. So write 1. Common difference is 5. So 6, then 5, then 11. So by the equations, here are 2 equations is given. So from first equation you get this and there are second equation you get this. From these 2 equations you can find a and d with the help of elimination method. After that you can write the AP, that first term is a and common difference is 5. That's all. Now see question number 24, exercise 5C. The first term and last term. First term is denoted by a and last term is denoted by L. So in solution you write that first term and last term. The first term and last term of AP are given 5 and 45. That is, it is 5 and it is 45 respectively. If the sum of its term is 400, that means sum of real term is 400. Then there are two questions you have. First, find the common difference, and second, find the number of terms. That means what is the n and what is the d. So dear student, use Sn formula, that is n by 2 into a plus n, because a and l are given. So you can use this formula and you can solve by easy methods. So Sn is equal to n by 2 into a plus n. What is Sn? Sn is given 400 is equal to n by 2. What is n? It is not given. By 2. What is a? That is 5. What is l? That is 45. Then here is 400 is equal to n by 2 into 50. So what is the value of n? That is 400 into 2 by 50 is equal to n. Because this is divided by 2, so now multiply. This is multiply, so now it is divided. So cancel 5 and 5 8 that means n is equal to 60. So first we find how many number of terms. So number of terms will be 16. Now your question is what is common difference? Common difference you find out from L. This L is given 45. And I told you before this chapter that L is also denoted by Tn. It is also denoted by An. It is also denoted by n star. So Tn is equal to 45 and here is A plus n minus 1 into D is equal to 45. What is A? A is 5 plus n minus 1. What is n? N is given here 16, that is 16 minus 1. What is D? It's not given, 45. So it is 16 minus 1, that is 15 into D is equal to 45. So here is A, that is minus, hence it is 40. So what is D? So D is equal to 40 by 15 divided 5 8 and 5 3 that is 8 by 3. So dear student, from the help of this you can find the value of n with the first formula n by 2 a plus l. After that you find the formula by l, you get n, that is n is 16, then it is t16 is given and that is last term. So t16 is here, so a plus n minus 1 into d is 40. So from this formula you can find the value of d. And there are two questions here. What is common difference and what is the number of term? So number of term is 16 and what is common difference? Common difference is 8 by 3. Now see question number 27. The sum of the first 7 term of an AP is 182 and its 4th and 17th term are in the ratio 1:5. Then find AP. First it is given the sum of first 7 term. That means Sn is given 182 and you write formula n by 2 2a plus n minus 1 into d is equal to 182. What is the number of term? That is 7. So we write 7 by 2 2a plus 7 minus 1 into d is equal to 182. So 2a plus 6d is equal to 182 into 2 by 7. This 7 cancels, 7 2 is 14, 7 2 is 14 and 4 2, then 7 6 is 42. Then take 2 as a common, then a plus 3d is equal to 26 into 2, same a plus 3d is equal to 26. First equations. Here 7 2 is 14 and 4 2 is so 26. Here 2 to cancel, then a plus 3d is equal to 26. Now your question is ratio of 4th term and 17th term. This 4th and 17th term means T4 by T17 is equal to 1 by 5. What is D4? It is equal to A plus 4 minus 1 into D, and it is A plus 17 minus 1 into D is equal to 1 by 5. Here A plus 3D and here A plus 16D is equal to 1 by 5. Cross multiplication, then 5A plus 15D is equal to A plus 16D. Here you write 5A minus A is equal to 16D minus 15D. Then 4A is equal to 16 minus 15D, hence 4A minus D is equal to 0. The second equation. There are two equations. First is A plus 3D is equal to 26, and second is 4A minus D is equal to 0. First equation, second equation, multiply by 4, multiply by 1. What you get? It is 4A plus 12D and 6 4 ja 24 and 4 2 ja 8, 104. Here is 1, then 4A minus D is equal to 0. Plus, then it is minus, cancel. It is minus, then plus, so it is 13D is equal to 104. So what is D? It is equal to 8. If D is 8, then you can substitute the value of theta. Then you can find the value of A. Your question is here, 4A minus D is equal to 0. And your question, D is 8. So you write here, 4A minus 8 is 0. Then 4A is equal to 8. So what is 8? That is 2. If dear student, if you find with the methods of elimination and by given two equations, you find very easily with A and D, then you what is the AP? So AP is first term is 2 and common difference is 8. So next is 10, next 18, dot dot dot. It is in AP. So this type question, so many questions in your exercise. So first you find two equations. After the equations, you eliminate it by elimination method, and after that you find A and B, and hence substitute their value at AP. So we get here AP. Now see, that is 31. The sum of first 10 term of an AP is minus 150, and the sum of next 10 term is minus 550. Then find the AP. First given S10 is equal to given minus 150. Here is n by 2 is 2A plus n minus 1 into D is equal to minus 150 to 5 ja, then 2A plus 9D is equal to minus 150 by 5. That means 5 cancel, minus 30 ja. So your first equation is 2A plus 9B is equal to minus 30. Next question is the sum of next 10 term. That means after 11 to 20 term is here. So it is always solved by this method. S20 minus S10 is equal to minus 550. Next 10 term of this AP means after 10, that means from starting 11 to 20, each sum is given 550. It is only solved by this method. If your next 10 term, that means you always get S20 minus S10, then remaining next 10 term you can find the sum. So here is S20 and value of S10 is given, that is minus, and it is minus 150. Here the S10 is given minus 150. Here minus 550. That is S20 plus 150 is equal to minus 550. So what is the S20? That is minus 550 and minus 150. So you get minus 700. Here is 20 minus this, and here even minus 120. This is plus. Go that side. That is 550. That is 700. What is S20? That is 20 by 2. N by 2. 2a plus 20 minus 1 into d is equal to minus 700. It is divided 10 times. So 2a plus 19d is equal to minus 700 divided by 10. That is minus 7. Here there are two equations. First equation 2a plus 9d is equal to minus 30, and 2a plus 19d is equal to minus 70. So both the coefficient are same. So no any change. Here change here sign only. Then it is cancelled. Here minus 10d is equal to 40. So what is d? That is minus 4. If d is minus 4 and substitute in first equation, that is 2a into 9 into minus 4 is minus 30. Then 2a minus 36 is equal to minus 30. So 2a is equal to minus 30 plus 36. Hence 2a is equal to 6. So value of a is 3. If value of a is 3 and here is minus 4, so you can easily find the value of AP, that is 3 and minus 4, that is minus 1 and minus 5 etc. So it is AP. So dear student, your question is related to sum, then two equations are given, and with the help of these two equations you can find A and D, and then you can find AP. Now dear students, question number 34. An AP 5, 12, 19 has 50 turns. That means AP is equal to 5, 12, 19 up to 50 turns. Find its last term, and hence find the sum of last 15 terms. Find the last term means L is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. The number of terms is 15. So easy way, it is 5 and N is 50 minus 1 into D is 7. So 5 plus 49 into 7. So it is 5 plus 9 6 are 3. 9 7 is 7, 63. And in hand 6, 7 4 is 28 and 6. 28, 6, 34, and it is 3487. So last term is 348. So if question is find the last term, you have given A and D, then each of the last term is denoted by nth term. It is also denoted by Tn term. Then Tn is A plus N minus 1 into D. So you can last term you can find with the help of this term. After that, find the sum of last 15 term. Last 15 term means find the sum of from 36 term to 50 term. So it is only solved by S50 minus S35. Then you get the last 50 sum of the last 50 term. S50 means all sum of all 50 terms, and S35 means sum of up to 35 terms. Then remaining is last 15. So we solve it like a N by 2, 2a is 5 plus N minus 1 into D is 7, and minus 35 by 2, it is 2a plus 35 minus 1 into D. What you get? You get 25. Here you get 10. Here you get 49 into 7 minus 35 by 2. Here you get 10 plus 34 into 7. What you get? 25. 10 plus 30. 343 minus 35 by 2. Here is 10. सच्चर 28, 21, 23, 34 into 7, 7 4 is 28, in hand 2, 7 3 is 21 to 23. Then here is 25 into 353 minus 35 by 2 into 248. This 248 cancel by 124. Now last step is 25 into 353 and minus 35 into 124. So dear student, you multiply here 25 3 is 75, then 5 in hand 7, 25 5 is 125 and 7 132, 2 in hand 30, 25 3 is 75 and 13, 75 plus 30, 8 and 8, 88. So it is 88 minus here multiply by 124, 35, 5 4 is 20, 5 2 is 10, in hand 2, 5 and 1 6, and here is 24, 2, 4 3 is 12, 3 2 is 6, 1 7 and 3 1 is 3. So 0, 4, 3, 4. So 4, 3, 4, 0 and subtract it and get your solution. So dear students, if your question is given that you find the sum of last 15 term, last 10 term, suppose question is given last 10 term, then it is only possible you subtract S50 minus S40. Then do calculation and then find your solution. So thank you dear students. Remain questions you solve with the help of your examples and exercise some problem. In this chapter, the word problem after the questions number 35 or 36, all are the application method problem. This is removed from your syllabus by CBSE, new syllabus. Then this part is not, you have to read. So you remove from it and now only solve up to question number 35 or 40 approx. And all above numbers of 40, you don't solve it because it is removed from your syllabus. Thank you dear students.